Hello everyone, my name is Eki Fikriamansyah and today I will present to you about Hillchipper implementation in Technolove ID login system. So, for the introduction, Technolove ID wants to secure their employee login system to avoid storing or transmitting plain text username and password. I implement Hillchipper encryption so the credential can be protected before being sent to the server. And why encryption is important? Encryption is needed because credentials are very sensitive. Attacker could sniff traffic, intercept plain text username and password, or breach database. With encryption, even if they gain access, they only get ciphertext, not the real data. And how about Hillchipper concept? Hillchipper is a classical block chipper that uses metric multiplication modulo 26. In this project, I use a 3x3 matrix. This gives better diffusion and transform each block of character at once. So, for the K matrix, this is the 3x3 matrix I use. One important requirement is that the matrix must be invertible mode 26. If it's not invertible, then the encryption cannot be done and the original plain text cannot be recovered. And you can see this is a K matrix that I use. Okay, let's go to the next. For the methodology, the plain text is first converted to uppercase letter only. Non-alphabet character are removed, and if need, paired with the letter X so the length matches the block size. Then encryption is done with key time pmode 26. The encryption uses the inverse of the K matrix. This implementation use a 3x3 Hillchipper K matrix modulo 26 for the step. For the one, convert plain text to uppercase letter alphabet only. Remove non-alphabetic characters. Pad with X until the length is a multiple of 3. For the encryption formula, C equals key by P mode 26. For the decryption formula, P equals key inverse by C modulo 26. And this is implementation. I make this on GitHub and I use a static website, so you can see my GitHub and I will drop in my description. So this is for demonstration. Input username and input the password. Okay, and then if you don't, you can press encrypt and decrypt. Okay, and for the result, you can see on this username and password box, the plain text is Qmin, ciphertext is like this, and decrypt is like this. For the password, plain text this is demo, ciphertext like this, decrypt and decrypt like this. Okay, so that's all demonstration that I can show you. So let me continue. Okay. For the limitation, Hillchipper is good for learning but not secure for modern production system. It is vulnerable to cryptanalysis. It only supports alphabetic characters and it does not work as password protection in real system. And conclusion, for the last conclusion and reflection. In conclusion, Hillchipper is useful for educational demonstration and show how reversible encryption using matrix work. But for real login system, we must use modern hashing algorithm such as Argon2 ID or Bcrypt and always protect data using TLS. So that's all my present.